Large language models often return unpredictable text. Structured output transforms these responses into reliable, validated objects your application can trust.
Plain text responses require manual parsing, and small formatting changes can silently break your production applications downstream.
Instead of parsing text by hand, define the expected structure using a Pydantic schema.
Schema specifies exactly what fields and data types the model is required to return.
Next, initialize your language model with the configuration your application needs.
Attach the schema using with_structured_output to enforce validated responses from the model.
Now send your prompt exactly as you would with any other LangChain model. Needs. The response comes back as a validated Python object, not plain text you have to parse. Now send your prompt. The schema validates the model's response before your application ever receives it. Structured output delivers reliable, type-safe responses without writing complex manual parsing logic. Use structured output for APIs, data extraction, automation, and enterprise AI workflows. Structured output makes LangChain applications predictable, reliable, and production-ready by ensuring every response matches your schema.